Hello, hi. Okay, today we unboxing one kit from SHEIK MAINLAND 3-minute project A. The box very damaged. This is the back. Got okay, the stand here, and then got some the hand gesture, weapon, and this is some the posing here, and the hands can store below the stand. Open here, we got one, two, three, four, five packs and one manual. It's a very simple kit. This one, this is blue color. I think they got some other color. So first the body part, the waist part, the hand, the leg, very simple one. Then the shoulder one, the ankle, and the face here, and the attached for the overall here. And this is for the stand, the weapon, then so all the weapon here lah. The store hand below, and I think that's all for this unboxing. Standard, the size thing around this, right? Maybe they like this one. So we will do speed build and review later. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.